Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's edition, we shall be treating another way of making onion oil. We've talked about a way of making onion oil in our previous training section, but this time around we will look at another simple way of making onion oil. Before I go further, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and please follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. So, onion oil. We need the two onions, as I said the other time. We'll be making use of the white onion and the red onion, so we can have the two ingredients together. So we peel, we slice into smaller sizes, then pour it into your frying pan, put in oil. Like I said, you can make use of coconut oil, you can make use of olive oil, you can make use of what other oil, crispy oil, and so on, just to have an oil base. We need a oil that would absorb the nutrients and the color of our onions. So we'll be pouring the oil in, then keep stirring. So you keep stirring, make sure you're not burning. It will cook instead of frying. So you keep watching till the onion is being cooked. After being cooked, you realize that it will start frying. But before it fries, you try and take it off the fire. It is getting soft and the look is changing. So it's gradually cooking right now. As cooked, then we'll allow it to cool down, then we sieve, we separate the onion from the oil. After putting it in the cloth, then I'll squeeze the onions so that I have all our oil being extracted. That's our onion oil. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. Thank you.